Where are my fellow chicken stew lovers? So, because I am here with the perfect and tastiest chicken stew recipe, this is a video you would love. So, stay tuned. Ingredients on the screen are tomatoes, scotch bonnet, garlic, ginger, and scent leaves. If you want to take your stew from 0 to 100, use scent leaves. They're very good, and ginger and garlic are very essential for your stews. So I use chicken for this, and I just spice with thyme, curry, turmeric, salt, and seasoning. I put in some scotch bonnet, and I also put in some onions. So I let this cook on low heat for about 20 minutes. I didn't add any water to it. I just let it steam and cook in its own water. And I set that aside when it was done. And a different pan, I put in some granite oil, I put in bay leaf, and I put in shallots. Then I went in with the blended onions. So I let this saute for about a minute before I went in with my fresh tomatoes. And I let this fry until its water had reduced a lot, as you can see on the screen. And then I went in with the thin tomatoes. So when I went in with the tomato paste, I just stirred everything. This is where things get really messy because it's splashing everywhere. And you need to stir your stew regularly. If not, it's going to get burnt. So whenever you stir the stew and you see that it's still splashing all over, as you can see on the screen, just know that it's not yet ready. It's not properly fried yet. So, but what I do is that after some time, I just put in some salt, seasoning, ginger, the garlic, the scotch bonnet, and I keep on frying. You know the tomato is ready when it's not splashing anymore, when you have a lot of oil floating on top, and when you just have like deep holes in the tomato. So that's what happened, and I put in some scent leaves, stirred it for some time, and I mixed everything together, put in the remaining scent leaves, I tasted it, and this is what we have. This was so good.